Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Oppo Reno 2. Alright, so got this from the loan unit from Oppo Malaysia. Alright, so let's see what's inside of this phone first. Yeah, packaging, everything. First we kind of look at the packaging itself. Simple, cool. Alright, yeah, you can see. Alright, so this is the 8GB version with 256 GB ROM inside. Okay, so let's see the unboxing. Alright, so first thing you get is a manual book, I guess. Yeah, it's a manual book. So we put this aside first. Alright, next thing we want to see is the phone. Alright, the phone itself here. Okay, alright, I'm gonna remove this out. Take this out, and voila, you can see the Oppo Reno 2. Alright, we put this aside first. We'll open the phone later on. So you get this TPU case as well. Alright, cool. What else? You get this cool earbuds. Alright, let's see. It's a 3.5mm jack, but alright. Let's put that back in. Okay, so you've got your usual USB Type-C cable here. This is the SIM tray opener, and voila, this is the thing that you wanted. Alright, Oppo phones usually can charge quite fast. Alright, so let's get back to the phone. Okay, alright, we are going to slide it out. Let's slide it out. Alright, let's slide it out. So yeah, so this is the phone. So let's see the phone, how does it looks like. Okay, so from here you can see there's no front camera, because the front camera is a motorized shark fin type. Alright, it will pop out. Then on the right side here you get the power button, SIM card tray, memory card tray, volume rocker. Cool. So at the bottom you get the 3.5mm jack. Alright, this is important. This thing here is important, right? Type-C, another thing is important. So the volume speaker here, and also here as well. I don't think you can see it, but there are some fine tiny dots here, which I think it helps to create like a dual stereo speaker setup for this phone. I think it's going to be acting like a earpiece as well. Alright, so to the rear, as you can see, 4 cameras setup. Alright, there are 4 cameras. Love this green colored thing here. Very awesome. Love it. Alright, why don't we just boot it up first and see how does it works for the first time. Okay, so there you go. This is just an unboxing. I'll be following up another review video later on. Okay, make sure to watch that. Alright, see you guys then.